So guys, AEG Lover here. We're here at Wheel Mania, the place to be to get my new wheels fitted. So these are the current wheels, as you can see, and wait till you see the design of the new one. We're at Wheel Mania today and they're fitting my new wheels. The guys are extremely helpful. They're just getting the old wheels off and then they're going to help me compare my new discs and pads, what I've got to go on the car, so I can return the old ones. So it's just getting the old wheels off now. We'll be back shortly. So guys, it's just jacking the Laguna up now. All in a day's work for this guy. He's got a lovely top on. Hi guys, so they're just helping me compare now to see. Jesus Christ, look at that guys, it's not looking very good, is it? Tell they give me the pads for the V6 diesel there. Because there's a V6, but it's rare, very rare. It's in the coupe only.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, buddy.
So hopefully.
Once again, Wheel Manias to the help. Guys, so these are the wheels. What do you think? No centre caps yet there to go on after. Jesus Christ, they look stunning. Pilot Sport 5s. First wheel going on now, guys. Oh. Then he's got a special spanner there, and he'll do like the torque, so it'll beep. So you know it's... That's another rear wheel going on, guys, in a sec. So we'll just have a look at the other side, see how we're looking. Absolutely stunning. Got the centre caps to go on still. There we go, guys.
There is only one way it'll go on as well.
Alright guys, so there you go. That's all 4 wheels on. Sorry about the state of the car, needs a wash. Just gonna go inside and pay shortly. And there we go.